Hello, future CAs. But for you to become CAs, now you have this results tension as to when is the results, sir. This is just going to be a casual, candid conversation with all our students regarding result date. I'm not going to create any fear, guys. Wow, wow, wow. How many messages have I received regarding, sir, when will the results come? It is already Feb end. We all know that ICA is known to give us a lot of surprises, right? Let me explain this with the help of an example that you all understand the feeling that you are going through. I only want to empathize with you guys. Let's take an example of relationships that you will all understand. Imagine in the first year of relationship, the first anniversary comes, the guy and the girl will celebrate, they will go for a huge date, they will go for the dinner date, they will give each other some gifts. Second year also, big celebration will happen. Third year also, big celebration will happen. And fourth year, the guy or girl, they will forget to wish the other person itself for anniversary. In fact, for me itself, I think in some of this I forgot to wish. Sometimes even other person did not wish me. But what will happen in the first, second, third year? The couple had so much expectation that next year, if that expectation is not met, you will get angry. Correct? This is the same thing in life. Sir, I am not in a relationship, sir. Always they're talking about relationships. Take birthdays. Take anything where somewhere already an expectation is created. CSK means they will win the IPL. 1 year suddenly they came 8th, 9th or 10th. That means you are getting angry because the expectation is not met. Correct? Now, keeping this example in mind, guys, the previous CA exams, May 24 exam results came on 4th July 2024. The surprise, the expectation was gone up in September 24 exams, where ICI gave a shocker to everybody, giving the results one day before Diwali. Within a month, hardly 35 days, they gave the results. So they have set high expectations for results in the previous attempt, that now in Jan 2025, today being 28th Feb, you are expecting the result should come today. That is the expectation you have in mind, and that is why you have the fear, guys. The fear or the anger is there because in previous attempts the bar was set high, and that is why many students are angry that ICA is not giving results on time. It is not an easy emotion for you all to go through. Let me tell you why it's not an easy emotion for you to go through. Because from 1st of March, from tomorrow, exam form is going to open for the May 2025 exams. If you are writing the other group, many students are waiting, sir, depending on the result only I will know whether to write the other group or write the same group again. What is this, sir? Exam form is there, but result is not there. Your emotion, your anger is very much valid, guys. I empathize with it. Or some of the students are waiting to join articles. The firm is ready to hire them, but once results come, they will join articles, because in all the firms, vacancies are already open. It is already late. Usually in old scheme, by Feb results will come and people will join. So firm is also waiting for the results. So you may be in category 1 for the other exam, or you may be in category 2 waiting for articles joining, and it is not an easy emotion for you guys. I understand it is not easy. If I was in your place also, I will definitely be angry on ICA for not giving an update. But let's respect ICA, guys. I'm telling you honestly, let's respect ICA. Why should we respect ICA? What they are doing is not an easy job. It's our mother body. Look at this. From 2 attempts, they have made it 3 attempts a year. Not easy. No other professional body in the country has been able to do this successfully. From giving results in 60 days just a year back, they have brought it down to 40 days for results. That is so good. And they are correcting 5 lakh plus students' lives in their hands. So they should not speed up, and the correction should not go wrong. So everything should go on well. So of course sometimes What was planned for Feb 28th may have gone till March 1st weekend, maybe March 5th, March 3rd. We don't know. I do not want to speculate. All I want to tell you is, let's respect ICA. ICA has always done the right things for us and they will always keep doing that. And that's why you even chose to do CA, right? So at this time, in this time, sir, what should I do, sir? I am going through so much stress, sir. I am panicking. I don't know what to do. I will just tell, it is the last few days left before your life takes two turns. What do you mean by two turns? Either you have to write the other group, group 1 or group 2, depending on your results, or you have to join articles. So after results, your life is again going to get back into a lot of heavy work, correct? I think you have hardly less than a week left for yourself. So go do things to take care of yourself. Go do some exercise. Go learn some small skill which you can learn in 2 days. Or go sleep for long hours if you're getting sleep. Go watch all the movies. Go out with friends. Do things because this is the last few days for yourself. After that, you're going to go through a roller coaster of emotions, guys. So let me know in the comments what you're doing in this last 3 to 4 days left for your results. From the bottom of my heart, wishing you all the very best. All the very best, guys. Thank you. See you all tomorrow morning.